Hey guys, so I just got my 2-pack of batteries here, and I'm gonna open it up and see how they look. Let's see. Just about the batteries, and let's see. So we got the first one here. It's a 18 volt battery. Looks nice and sturdy. I mean, I know that'll fit for. I got this so I can show you guys it, and then I got this other one, which is the same thing. So two 18 volt batteries. This is what they look like. I mean, I know they're gonna fit most power tools. For example, this Ryobi here, I can, there we go, put it in there, and nice. So nice and strong, and it fits on there. It's not like it's like a random fit. It's totally a snug fit on there, and so that's perfect. I mean, I'll definitely be using these, and then here's the other, and I could just, it fits on, and then boom. So it's nice and easy. They definitely work well, and they're perfect, and these are great. So I definitely recommend it, and I got two, so when one runs out, I can just use the other. So these are perfect, and I give it a thumbs up.